The handheld gaming landscape is shifting beneath our feet, and if you thought Asus was done pushing the boundaries after the massive success of their previous iterations, you haven't been paying attention. Today, we are diving deep into the monumental leaks, the heavy expectations, and the raw reality surrounding the next major evolution in Asus portable gaming. Hit that subscribe button and stay locked in, because what is coming is going to change how you play AAA games forever, and you need to know every single detail before you drop your hard-earned cash on any hardware upgrade. Let's address the elephant in the room right away. When Asus first entered the portable gaming arena, they shook the entire industry. They forced Valve, Lenovo, and every other major tech giant to rethink what a pocket-sized gaming machine could actually achieve. But let's be completely honest with ourselves. While the raw power was undeniable, the community made their voices heard loud and clear. Battery life was a constant talking point. Screen tech had room for evolution, and ergonomics needed that final touch of absolute perfection. Asus listened, and what they have been cooking up behind closed doors takes everything we loved, fixes every single flaw, and supercharges it for a brand new era of gaming. DLCompare.com. The most staggering upgrade everyone is talking about revolves around the display and visual fidelity. We are looking at a massive leap forward into OLED territory. Imagine playing your favorite graphically intense open-world RPGs, high FPS shooters, and cinematic masterpieces on a gorgeous, high-refresh rate OLED panel that brings pitch blacks, jaw-dropping contrast, and hyper-vibrant colors straight to the palms of your hands. This isn't just a minor incremental bump. This is a total game-changer for visual immersion. Combined with an ultra-smooth refresh rate, motion blur practically vanishes, making every fast-paced combat sequence feel buttery smooth and incredibly responsive. If you play games where every millisecond counts, this visual overhaul alone makes the wait entirely worthwhile. Underneath that sleek, redesigned chassis lies a powerhouse of next-generation silicon. Rumors and hardware leaks point directly toward next-gen AMD custom APU architecture designed specifically to maximize performance per watt. What does that mean for you in the real world? It means higher frame rates at higher resolutions without melting your hands or draining your battery in 30 minutes. Asus is packing massive memory configurations and ultra-fast storage options into these builds, ensuring that loading stutter becomes a thing of the past. We are talking about desktop-class gaming experiences squeezed into a form factor that you can throw into your backpack and take anywhere on Earth. DLCompare.com. Let's talk about battery life, because that was the ultimate Achilles heel of the original generation. Asus engineers have reportedly re-architected the internal layout to accommodate significantly larger battery cells. Couple those larger physical batteries with the incredible power efficiency gains of next-gen chips, and you are looking at substantial runtime extensions. Imagine actually being able to take a cross-country flight or a long commute without frantically searching for an airport power outlet just to finish a boss fight. That is the exact promise this next-gen hardware brings to the table, solving the biggest pain point of mobile PC gaming. Control layout and ergonomics have also received a complete masterclass in redesign. Leaks indicate refined grip contours inspired by elite controller layouts, alongside upgraded thumbsticks featuring advanced durability